reminds me a little bit of our Too Hot division that we run. I want to see how these folks do. Job at 296 and 97 and 13 and 1 on the speed board. Gonna look for a thumbs up or a thumbs down.
Nate Malik and Hanson Excavation. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much.
If this don't remind me of our Too Hot division with East Central Iowa, you guys are putting on a nice show. Can't see the speed board. How did he do? And 1 on the speed board at a distance of 278 and 85. Tony Johnson coming up next on the IH 1466. Out of Brimfield, the 1466, the big brother of the 1066. .95 and 26. He hit the 12 and the 3 on the speed board. These guys are doing a nice job of keeping it under control. Nick Zimmerline out of Lamoille, Illinois. Lamoille, right? Lamoille. 44.55, the workhorse of the green. Took a look at it, ladies and gentlemen. He broke the speed barrier, 289 and 60. The only money he's going to get today is what you give him. Enough power you need to get him up there. He said, well, that's what our next class is. Okay, that makes sense. bunch of folks. I know some of these guys from the area hooks. I see a ton of shows a year. I do over 25 hook shows a year. That's pretty cool. Hey, look at this, 13 and 3 at 285 and 77. 285 and 77. I think she's making a rookie pass here. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks good in the neighborhood. Look at him. And he brings her to her knees. He says, you know what, I broke the speed barrier right off the bat. The hell with it. I have never seen so many drive shafts hit the ground in my life. Their ultimate goal was to destroy the pickup, and they got it done. Travis Marr, the 970 out of Farmington. and 80, 294 and 80, stayed within the speed limits. 13 and 1. Always remember that. Be a volunteer in your community. Have a little fun. Take the kids out. Let them eat a couple hands full of dirt. It's healthy for them. Nice looking 1466. Eric Stanley. These guys are doing a very good job of driving. Very good. 13 and 5 on a speed board. Hey, that looks like good real estate right there. And the hole is coming up. They're out of Galva. A 4320. Very much a collector tractor. Jake Conrad. Something definitely went wrong there, and I don't know what it was, but something gave up, and I'm not sure if it was in the injection pump. I'm not 100% sure. A little coon in there, too. You never know about this one. Did you ever eat that? I tell you what, I tried it once. Coon. Ooh. Never been that hungry again. Here we go, the coon skin cap. I don't know if something unloaded right there. He stopped a little bit abruptly. I'm not 100% sure on that. 275 and 02, 11 and 7. We got a 01 Chevy out of Lemoyne.